This initial solution will show you how to recover Instagram deleted message. So I'm gonna deleting a message here. As you can see, the message has been successfully deleted. Now, can you recover deleted Instagram messages? Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't provide useful features to help users recover their deleted messages. Basically, once you delete a message, it's gonna forever. Even the most popular recently deleted and Instagram data functions can't recover deleted Instagram messages. Request recipients to forward these messages. The only way to recover deleted Instagram messages is by asking the recipient to forward the message to you. To do this, send a message to your contacts asking them to forward any messages they have from you. Be sure to let them know you cannot retrieve the messages yourself and would appreciate their help. If the recipient hasn't deleted the messages, they should be able to forward them to you. However, if the recipient has also deleted the messages, then you can't do anything to recover them. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.